all that fitted gear. Can't see me like a smear, I just won't come out clear. You gotta search way deeper, looking way too near. And I can smell the fear, or it must be the fake. But what it is I hate, so let me grab my rake. I'm cleaning up the game, don't gotta say no names, cause I know you a phase. I expose you, get erased. It's like I'm in a maze, too many ways to go, but I choose crazy days. I never been a hoe, I never been a bitch. The rollers don't snitch, even if you see me riding round the town with homies, bitch. Cause I keep something for ya, Bulldog just call me Hoya. Used to be my boy, now I'll shoot your ass, shit, I don't know ya. That happens when you hating, my heaters rearranging the thoughts up in your brain. Now I see the blood is spraying, that's all the evidence. Ain't seen ya ever since, body disappeared now, I call that coincidence. T-town my residence, be down no hesitance. Touch my shit, you might get shot, call that electric fence. It's up no barbed wire, burn you like bonfire. You got no bonfire, hit this take you higher. If I can spark it up, damn it, where is my lighter? Somebody's coughing it, I hate to be the fighter, but you always pocket it, and that's profit off my shit. I don't give a fuck if it's a motherfucking dollar, just don't take my shit and with